Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you the easiest and simplest way to sign up for Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. Click the link below the video to go to the Binance sign up screen. If you sign up through the link, you'll get a 20% discount fee and another 20% payback will be applied simultaneously. First, let's create an account. Clicking the link below the video will take you to the Binance sign up page. You can proceed with signing up using your email or phone number. Enter the email you want to use and check the box to agree to the terms below. Click Continue at the bottom. Then a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email or phone number you just entered. Check it and type it in. Next, set your password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, contain at least one number, and at least one uppercase letter. Now, your account creation is complete. If the inviter code entry screen appears, please enter the code before completing your signup. Next, let's proceed with KYC identity verification. You must complete KYC verification to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since it includes a face scan, let's continue on a mobile phone. Install and launch the Binance app on your phone. Log in with the account you just created, and you will be taken directly to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality and choose the ID you want to use for verification. Whether you choose an ID card, driver's license, or passport, it will be processed within 5 minutes. So just proceed with the one most convenient for you. Choose Take Pictures as your submission method and click Continue. Take a picture of the front and back of your ID, fitting it within the camera frame. Align your face within the oval frame and follow the instructions. Once you finish the face scan, confirm additional personal information such as your name, date of birth, and address, and select your occupation and industry. The review will take about 5 minutes, and you can check that your KYC verification is complete on your profile screen. Next, let's set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. Come back to the PC screen and click on Security under Account in the left menu. Click Manage next to the Authenticator app. Click Enable Authenticator app and a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the verification code you received and a QR code window like this will appear. Leave it as is for a moment and let's download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app and click the Get Started button at the bottom. For security reasons, click Use without signing in and tap the Add a Code button in the middle. Click Scan a QR code. If you scan the QR code on your PC screen, a 6-digit Binance OTP code will be generated. Go back to Binance and click Next. Enter the 6-digit numeric code generated in the Google Authenticator app and click Submit. You can then confirm that your Google OTP has been successfully activated. This concludes the tutorial on how to sign up for Binance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like,